Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Sheena.
Hi, I'm Maloy.
It's Joanna.
Hi, I'm Mika.
Hey, it's Aya.
I'm Colette. I'm Gwen.
I'm Stacy.
And we are Beanie.
Never have I ever had a blind date.
Never
Never have I ever ghosted someone.
Sabihin ko na, nasasapan lang po.
Never have I ever dumped someone through text.
Grabe naman. Alam mo, mami, yung text never. Ay! Uy!
Never have I ever said yes to my suitor through text.
Hoy, bakit kayo? Kainin yan! Kainin yan!
Never have I ever lied to someone.
I have! Ikaw hindi ka nagsinungaling ever?
Never have I ever paid on a date.
I have! Woo! Siyempre, independent tayo! Sige po kasi ako nakipag-base
Never have I ever experienced halangan.
I have! True call! Sinantang sa iyo naman ang buhay!
Never have I ever fell in love with my best friend.